Story 101, number 12. My experience during my Philippine vacation, a stranger in my own land. It's really difficult to travel using public transportation because there's a lot of changes. I don't have any option. My husband just dropped me there in Alabang, and then I need to process all my documents by myself. I need to go to Festival Mall alone. So since Festival Mall, it's a big mall in Alabang, I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. So I need to ask the security guard from time to time, where is the line going to DFA? And then right after I process my documents in DFA, this is the start of my agony. I don't know where to find the public transportation going to the terminal for the provincial buses going to Lucena or going to my place. So I need to ask the security guard again. So sometimes it's annoying that we need to ask from time to time where is the exit, where is the stall, or where we can find the public transportation going to somewhere else. My cell phone, it's already off. When I was inside the provincial bus, that's the time that my anxiety decreased because I know that I can go home, I can charge my cell phone. Anytime I can give an update, whatever happens to me. Because that is the first time that I travel alone. More often, my husband is with me and then we are traveling with car. But traveling alone by bus, without any battery on my cell phone, this is really a horrible. So, for those who are traveling alone, make it sure that you have your battery pack with you, your cell phone is with enough charge. You can ask your relative or you can talk to your relative anytime. And sometimes this is the disadvantage of the development in infrastructure because a lot of landmarks totally different 1 year ago or 2 years ago. You cannot rely on your own understanding about the landmark. Before, I know that Festival Mall is like this, going to festival is like that. But now, there's a lot of rerouting, there's a lot of connecting RT, connecting for the Skyway. And before, the provincial buses, they passed on EDSA. But this time, they are not allowed in EDSA. They will pass on different ways. So, it's totally different. Thanks God that there is mobile apps like Waze and Google Map wherein you can use and you can search your destination, and then most probably you were able to see where you are and how far from your destination. So thanks God, through the help of new technology, it also helps us to ease our anxiety. So for those who will travel and planning to travel, going to Manila alone, one thing is be with your relative and don't travel alone, or else you will be anxious and a lot of anxiety during your travel. Aside on that, you need to anticipate what time you will go to Manila, what time you need to be in the bus so that you will avoid the traffic in Metro Manila. Because this time, even in C5, it's very traffic. But the most important is don't travel alone if you are not yet familiar with the place, because it's really difficult. Okay? Till our next story time. Good afternoon.